Hello, welcome back. I'm Maya or Cranberry. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video, unboxing, something I'll decide in editing, we'll see. But I'm doing a thing for the Bookish Den. I bought a bunch of bookmarks off them, so I'm excited to see what we got. I obviously have just a giant pile of bubble wrap. I look forward to breaking the bubble wrap, popping later. There's a lot of it though, like one suggestion off the top here is some more environmentally friendly packaging. Holy, there's a lot of it. All right. Especially since it is a little box in the center. Awesome box though, really like that. But maybe a smaller package would be preferred. Now they have their logo on there. They have their little squirrel, which is super cute. I think it's a custom seal as well. And I love that everyone's using seals. I just bought two more. I bought a B one and one with my M for my Maya initial. But I love that it has the little library card on the front there. Super cute. Love the box. Now, I don't want to break the seal, but I think that may be the way things have to go. Because they've got the ribbon on there. Huh. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, so when you actually break the seal on the back, there's the little squirrels. That's super cute. That's really fun. I like that they have that little touch on there. So, plain box. Let's take a look. So I ordered 2 bookmarks that I know about, and then I ordered 3 mystery ones. So I have no idea what those ones are. Okay. I'm going to pull myself forward a little bit. I guess I could bring the camera to me, but I mean, I'm already here. Also, ignore the bookcase. It's a complete disaster. I know I just drew attention to it, but I'm definitely going to organize it again. So their whole thing is they have a lot of wooden bookmarks, and they do it, I think it's engraving technically. Let me know in the comments if you know the exact process, but they're gorgeous. So this one, the mystery bundles I'll mention are I think they're the ones that have like slight defects to them, so they're a little bit cheaper, but you're still going to get cool things. They're just going to have a mark or something. So this one here, gorgeous. You can see it is a giant, I want to say it's an octopus, not a squid. Octopus for sure. And there's a little line. That's the only reason it's considered to be in that category. But wow, look at the detail. I am super excited to have that. It's definitely going to be displayed and loved. I think I'm facing it the right way. No, I wasn't. That was upside down. Let's just try that again. So there's the sailboat there. And then you have a kraken coming up. So that makes more sense. I thought it was an octopus. But wow, so gorgeous. And as I mentioned before, the little defect is just this line. But honestly, I don't mind. I am quite happy to have that in my collection. And it's so beautiful. And they are a bit discounted for having the damage. Or, you know, defect. All right, next we have, let's see, I think this is a Nancy Drew themed one is my guess. And look at that, it's got a nice blue to it. And again, it's just got a little mark on there, but it's got a little clock and a flashlight. And then up at the top, the little detective who is probably most likely Nancy Drew. I don't know who else it could be. Plus the blue is just so iconic. Really pretty. And there's a candle as well on the table. These are so fun. I like that they're wood cutout bookmarks, and then the color is really brilliant. I'll do a pan afterwards so you can see them all. The last of the ones that I got from the mystery bundle is this awesome sword one. And I like that these are all different shapes, like I didn't get 4 square ones. They all have a different border. Just look at the detail on that. That's so fun. Oh, I see. So the defect on this one is that the sword is cut off on this side. So you can see the handle on the one side is there, the other side isn't. Again, not too worried about it. Beautiful. I'll just be delicate with the other side. All right, now to my 2 that I ordered, just because I couldn't resist. These 2 are so beautiful. I'm just going to take them out of the plastic and then we'll take a look at them. More fun that way. So these ones do come sealed in a little plastic envelope just to keep them safe. Let me see if I can shimmy it out. Come here. I don't want to damage it. I'm struggling. Struggling so hard here. Oh, okay. We're just ripping the plastic. That's what's happening. They're going in a different spot afterwards anyways. All right. So firstly, I bought this beautiful one with feathers on it. I just liked the contrast between the wood and the white. think it's white. Yeah. So pretty. Turn it sideways so you can see the full thing. Love it. So pretty. And then the other one, and I just, it made me think of fairies. It made me think of Venice. It just made me very joyful. And I like the fact that I got one light wood and one that was dark wood. So that was another thought when I got them. I almost got like 4 more, and then I was like, you can't buy that many bookmarks. But this one is so pretty. I just love that like magical fairy mask. They had a whole bunch of other ones, and I can wear it. Not quite. If I put it like here, there, that now it's cool. But yeah, I love that it's got butterflies on it. It just makes me think of Tithe and Ironside and the Fairy Chronicles. Just anything that has to do with fairies. It just brings me a great joy. I think this is my favorite. I love this one with the Kraken though. I will do a quick pan through after this so you can take a brief look at them all next to each other. And yeah, so I think my favorite is definitely the butterfly mask, Harlequin one, whatever this would be. Venetian mask, fairy mask, I don't know. Someone tell me. Tell me in the comments which is your favorite. Definitely check them out. You can find them, I think they're under the Bookish Den. Bookish Den? I can't speak right now. I think they're under the Bookish Den on Instagram, and then their store is also under that. I believe they actually were just a website. I didn't get them off of Etsy, I don't think, but I went through their Instagram, so you can check it out there. I'll also post on Instagram, so you'll see it there, I'm sure. But yeah, anyways, that's all I've got today. If you want to check out my Bookstagram, I'm under Betwixt Books on there. And then obviously I have the art and regular channel under Cranfairy on Instagram. And then it will also be on Twitch as of the 12th. Right now I'm still under Wolfish Tendencies though, so go check it out. And you have a lovely day, and we'll speak later.